You can learn to make paper poinsettias by using watercolors to make them look more realistic. When I was painting the little pom-poms by accident, I spilled a little bit of the red paint on the petals. But then I found out it made a great effect. So I decided to paint all the petals. You can use any watercolors you like, but for really intense color, I use the paint from a tube. Just paint it on each petal. And yes, they will stick together. And now it's time to paint the rest of the flowers. I'll speed it up a little. After they're all dried out, very carefully peel the petals apart. I was surprised this really works. And as I experimented, I found out that if I just smush the whole thing up, it makes a very natural effect.